Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kavya Tutorials and Vlogs. In this video, you are going to watch how to install Java in Windows 10 operating system. How to install Java JDK in Windows 10 operating system. Before entering into video, let me show you that Java JDK is installed in my PC or not. For that, enter into search bar and enter CMD, that is command prompt. Open that command prompt and execute the commands of Java. Java commands are Java space hyphen space hyphen version and execute it by pressing enter. See here, let me maximize it first. Yeah, see over here, we got error. We got three errors. Those are opening registry key software and could not find java.dll, could not find Java AC runtime environment. It shows that Java is not installed in my laptop. Let me check other command for Java also. That is Java C space hyphen version. Java C space hyphen version. Let us execute it by pressing enter. See here, Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. It also shows that Java is not installed in my laptop. Now let us install Java JDK file. For that, open any browser. I am opening Chrome browser and in this type Java JDK download. On the topmost of all the website, we can see Oracle website over here. From Oracle website, we have to download the Java JDK file. For that, we have to click on this link. Scroll down. Here we can see that Oracle JDK and then here press JDK download. Now scroll down. See here we can see different types of file descriptions for different operating systems like Linux, Mac operating system and Windows. Now we are installing for Windows, right? So we have to download this Windows x64 installer, which is of 159.71 MB. For that, we have to click on this JDK 15.0.2 JDK 15.0.2 Windows x64 bin executive file. Click on this. We have to accept this for license agreement and click on download. It is getting downloaded. It is of 160 MB. It takes few seconds only. Wait for that time. Until then, go to the comment section and tell me that if you want to listen C tutorial also, let me know in the comment section. Or else if you want only Java classes, continue with this. Just tell me in the comment section. What do you want? Yeah, it's downloading still. Until it gets downloaded, let me know in which university or college you are studying. Go to the comment section and write your college name and university, college name or university name in which you are studying. Actually, my network is slow, so that's why taking this much time. More 10 MB. Yeah, it's got downloaded. Now open this file. After opening this, you can see that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. After that, I'm closing all these windows. Now it is preparing to install. Then here we can see that welcome to the installation wizard for Java SE Development Kit 15.0.2. Our Java version is 15.0.2. Now click on next. Here we can see the location of the installation folder. See here, we can read this Java TM SE Development Kit 15.0.2 64-bit, including a private JRE and source.zip. This will require 420 MB on your hard drive. Click the change button to change the installation folder. See here, it is saving in my device. It is saving in C drive. If you want to change, you can change, but my suggestion is not to change the installation folder, because if storage is available in your device also, it shows that storage is not available and it's insufficient. So better not to change the installation folder space. So it's better to not to change the installation folder. So as I said, I am not changing that. I am clicking on next. What's the status over here? Updating component registration. Now it's copying new files. Registering product. Now it takes on install. It takes only few seconds to extract. Wait for seconds. See here. Java SE Development Kit 15.0.2 64-bit successfully installed. If you want any, see here, click next steps to access tutorials, API documentation, developer guides, release notes and more to help you get started with the JDK. If you want any documentation or developer guides, click on next steps and read that. Now I don't want to read that. If you want to do, you can. I'm closing this. Now if you want to work with Java JDK file, you have to create environment variable for the Java JDK file. For that, get into advanced settings. I will say one shortcut to get directly into the advanced settings, that is Windows plus pass break. I am repeating that, press Windows plus pass break to get directly advanced settings. See here, we can see advanced settings. Click on advanced settings. Here we can see system properties. In system properties, we can see environment variables. Click on environment variables. After clicking on environment variables, we can see user variables for admin and system variables. In system variables, you have to choose the path. See here, we have to choose the path. We have to choose the path and click on new. Here we have to paste the path of the bin of JDK file. Now let me show that how to copy the path of bin. Now to copy the path of the bin, we have to enter into the location where the Java JDK file is installed. In my device, it is stored in C folder drive. I have opened C drive. That is, click on C drive and then program files. Then here we can find Java. See here, Java, and click on JDK. Here we can see bin, right? After entering into the bin, we have to click on the search folder. So after entering into the bin, we have to click on the search bar and copy the path of bin by pressing Ctrl C. For copying anything, you have to press Ctrl C and click on new and click on new in edit environment variable. See here, you can get new line. Here paste the path of the bin by pressing Ctrl V. Yeah, then click on OK. By creating environment variable for bin, we can execute the files in Java, execute the programs in Java. But if you want to develop anything with Java, you have to create Java home, means environment variable for Java home. For that, in system variables, click on new. See here, you got variable name. In that variable name, you have to give Java home. All should be capital Java space underscore home. In variable value, you have to paste the path of bin before entering into the bin. Let me show how to copy that. You have to repeat the same process as we did in the previous. Enter into the C drive and then program files, and here we have to enter into Java and then click on JDK. Before pressing on bin, we have to copy the path by clicking on the search bar. I said previously that for copying we have to press Ctrl plus C. Yeah, I have copied this path and I'm closing this. We don't have any use for again with this. Yeah, now I am pasting that path as variable value by pressing Ctrl V. See here, we can see variable value. Click on OK. I am closing all these windows. Yeah, done with this. I am saying one simple technique for variable name. For variable name, we did the repeated process, but without repeating that process, just paste the path of the bin with which we have entered in the path of JDK file and remove the backslash and bin. It will be the same. I think you had got clarity about that. Now let us check that the Java JDK folder is installed in my PC or not. For that, I am again opening command prompt and executing the files. And executing the commands. Those are Java space hyphen version and pressing enter for execution. See here, let me highlight this. Java version 15.0.2. Here see Java AC runtime environment, Java hotspot. Before this we got these three as errors, but now it is showing that Java environment and Java runtime environment, Java version and Java hotspot. It seems that Java is installed in my laptop. Now let me execute another command, that is Java C space hyphen version. See here, we can see that Java C is 15.0.2, the version of Java which we have installed. Next we have to check that Java home is created in laptop or not. For that, we have to pass one more command, that is echo space %sign Java home. All should be capital Java space underscore home and %sign. Just click on enter for execution. See here, program files Java JDK 15.0.2. It means Java home is also environment variable for development is also created. I think you have successfully installed Java JDK along with me in your laptop. Thank you for watching.